Another day of price moves, and let's go ahead and dive on into it for crypto. Starting with the general crypto market, we can see Bitcoin is up 1.17%, above $27,000. Ethereum slightly down, just down 0.19%. BNB is up. Doge is up, XRP is up. Most of the board is looking in the green. We do have some sprinkles in there of red. And it's not a significant push here. We are seeing some of these with a little bit higher percentages, such as Dogecoin up 2.9%. But generally speaking, pretty neutral, slightly green. If we hop over to the price chart for Bitcoin, we can see that on the daily, it is showing green, and it also shows a higher increase in volume there. And as I've been talking about in my previous videos, this support line at $26,700-ish is still holding up quite well. And we can see that there was a wick. The price did drop down below that line, really trying to test it over and over and over again, but it's holding itself, and we see that it's green on the day. So the next major obstacle that I personally would be keeping an eye on would be the 50 moving average. So this is flatlining out right now. That's at 28,500 or so. So we got about $1,200 that Bitcoin is still going to need to move before we can see whether or not there's a continuation on here. Unfortunately, we still do not have a resolution as far as the debt ceiling limit for the United States. The deadline for that is coming up on June 1st. As far as for what President Biden has spoken out about this, he said that don't worry, that we're not going to default on that. Every major party's leader, so we got the, there's two parties, right? So you have the members of Congress, they're main division leaders. So this would be Chuck Schumer. You also have Kevin McCarthy. You also have Mitch McConnell and Joe Biden. So they're all in agreement except for Kevin McCarthy. You also have Hakeem Jeffries. He is part of the House. He's the House Minority Leader. So everyone's been in agreement that that the debt ceiling limit is to be raised, except for Kevin McCarthy. And there's significant concerns that if that does not get raised, then our country will default, and that could lead very likely to a global recession and potentially a global depression, because this would force the United States to default, which we haven't had before. But there's also the 14th Amendment, and a lot of people are calling on the president to invoke the 14th Amendment. And that very well could be a possibility that regardless of what Kevin McCarthy tries to do and the House Republicans try to do coming up here on the June 1st deadline, we may end up seeing the president invoking the 14th Amendment, helping to avert that crisis. But this is uncharted territory for what we're seeing happen right now. It's pretty unprecedented. And it's definitely putting a lot of people on edge, waiting to see what is going to result from this. But we have a couple weeks left, and let's hope for the best, guys, for everyone. Moving on, we see that for the SafeMoon price, its price is down here on the Binance Smart Chain, down 1.06%. We have here 3 days of closure in the red. On the fourth day, it is showing further decline. Volume is $51,000, $13,000 on the buy side, $37,000 on the sell side. For SafeMoon on Polygon, we have 3 days of a drop. The fourth day is showing some signs of green. It's down 0.59%. Volume is $245. All of these are buys. And then we move on to SafeMoon for the Ethereum side. It's on a third day of green. Last time there was a trade was on May 16th. We're not seeing anything here on the new day. Evergrow coin having dropped a little bit more. It's down 0.4%. This is $1,500 in trading volume, $708 on the buy side, $792 on the sell side. Blockbuster Tech, after having a little bit of a drop yesterday, barely up, 0.01% up. Doesn't get much smaller than that. This is $1,600 in trading volume, $907 on the buy side, $768 on the sell side. For BiFi, this one right here, having 3 days of closure in the green, fourth day, suggesting a little bit more momentum upwards. But the last time there was a trade was on May 15th, and that was actually a sell for $120. BNB Mirror Protocol seeing a slight decline on the candle, but the actual percentage change compared to 24 hours, it is up 0.1%. $410 in trading volume, 5 transactions, all of them on the sell side. For Bitcoin Mirror Protocol, this is a second day in a row of it suggesting a decline. Nothing for trades on May 17th. For Croge, this one not having any trading activity since May 15th. Crift Cards, haven't seen any trades since May 16th. One transaction, $12. It was a sell. Glow Token, this one here, same thing. No trading activity for May 17th. Last trade was for $11. It was one sell. Grove Token is up 0.06%. This is $7,400 in trading volume, $3,300 on the buy side, $4,100 on the sell side. For HOD, this is the second day of green, continuation up 3.55% in the last 24 hours, $8,000 in trading volume, $4,200 on the buy side, $3,800 on the sell side. Live Crypto Party is the second day in a row of the candle charts suggesting of it being green, but there's no trading activity since May 15th. For Ethereum, this one having a further decline. On the candle charts, trading volume-wise, there was one trade, it was $1. It was a buy, but we didn't see any actual direct impact on the candlestick charts. Rhythm, showing a little bit of a drop here. Last trades were back on April 18th, so nothing really going on with this for quite a while now. As of tomorrow, it'll mark 1 month since anything happened with Rhythm. Liquidity still shows that there's $64,000 here. Revoltants, they're still trying to figure out what they're doing over there, trying to get it recovered. It still has $55,000 in liquidity. Volume, one trade, shows $33 in that volume, but no trading activity for May 17th. And then last is Pepe. Pepe is down 6.68% in the last 24 hours. 2 transactions, both of them sells for $5,500. And those are your latest price moves in crypto. And if you want to be able to pay for real world bills using your cryptocurrency, you can check out Spritz Finance. They have a list of different options of crypto you can use as payment. I actually did pay and have paid several times now for real world bills using my crypto. And you can see it in this video. If you use my referral, you can get a bonus for one of your future bill payments. Super convenient, super fast. Feel free to check it out. There's a video link down in the description below. And that's what I got for you guys. Thank you so much to my Patreon supporters. A double shout out thank you to WeLoveSafeMoon.com, Victor Vegas, SafeMoon Oz for being higher level patrons. And thank you to my YouTube members for your support as well. Don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up, like button. God bless, and we will see you in the next episode.